This is Jenna.
Change user.
This, my Samantha. The first thing you do when you get in here is you go to the classroom. So we'll have a
Go
teacher.
to the classroom.
The teacher got the one day.
Welcome to the classroom. Click on the whiteboard to get started on your first lesson. Click on the next activity. Magic Rainbow Traceables. Letter A. A. Trace the letter. You got it. Terrific! Click on the next activity. Alligator. An is long. An alligator is long. Great job! Click on the next activity. Frogpeter. Letter A. See how many alphabet slides your frog can eat when you click on the requested letter sound. Play! Which letters sound like A, A. Good. Which letters sound like A, A. Very nice. Which letters sound like A, A. Awesome job. Which letters sound like A, A. Awesome job. Which letters sound like A, A. Good job. Which letters sound like A, A. Well done. Which letters sound like A, A. Good. Which letters sound like A, A. Awesome job. Which letters sound like A, A. Fantastic. Great. Great job. Click on the next activity.
Now it's Pacific Island. Level 3, Lesson 1. Reading the letter A. Never is Level 3. Now, never is home. Now let's take a look.
Change user.
It's Andy's turn. And you invite your class on a story.
Go. Click on the next activity.
Level 1, Lesson 1. Math 1 to 5. Come for instance, now level 1. And you say goodbye, look close. And you say goodbye. In the handwriting turn, I have already told you ABC Mouse. Remember, you click here and have to start having fun. Enjoy, have a good time.